Welcome to the next part of the view menu. Let us see what the extra options have the developers of Blender given to us. So now I will go to the camera. Next option is camera and set active object as camera. What this actually means is, if I select this object, now this is the active object, and then I can come in the view and go to cameras, set active object as cameras. What it means it will set that object as the active camera, and we can see from that object what that object, what is visible from that object. It will make that object as camera. Now if I middle click and move it, it will come out of that local view. If I go once again, come out of this object and select cube and go to view and go to cameras and set active object as camera. Now that object has become the camera, so I don't want that as well. What I want is select this object and go to view and cameras, set active object as cameras. So now we are actually seeing what camera is seeing. So that is how this works. Middle click and drag to get out of the camera view. Where this is actually useful is, if I go to add menu and come over camera, a camera is being added here. Let me grab it using the G tool, the G key, and if I keep it here somewhere and G key somewhere here and G key somewhere here, so what it actually is doing is it is seeing the cube. So now I have two cameras in the view. If I come over here, this is my selected camera. Go to view, cameras, set the active object as cameras. You notice this black triangle. See what happens. Camera, set active object as camera. Not only we are seeing from that camera, it has also made it active. Now what it actually means is, if I come to the view menu, go to cameras, and now if I want to see from active camera, the shortcut is the shortcut is numpad 0. If I want to see from active camera, it is going to show it from that camera. If I middle click out and come over this, and shortcut for making that object as active object is control numpad 0. So what we will do, we will select this camera, control 0 on numpad. So we will make that camera as active camera and we are seeing from that camera. And if I select this camera and control numpad 0, I am making that camera as active, as well as I am seeing from that camera as well. So that's how this works. Let us see what the next options the Blender developers have provided. If I go to view, go to viewport, and here I can see camera. Numpad 0 is the shortcut for it. If I hit camera, it's going to see from the active camera, because I have two cameras in our scene. It is going to see from the camera that is active, and black triangle is the indicator of the active camera. So one is viewport from camera. We can as well see the object from the top view. We can see it from bottom view. Control numpad 7. We can see it from front view, numpad 1, and control numpad 1 provides us back view, and 3 on the numpad. Now I am clicking numpad 3, that gives us side view, viewport, right side view, numpad 3, and control numpad 3 gives us left view. So it is very easy to remember. On the numpad, on the number pad, if you hit 7, it's the top view, control 7 bottom view, 1 is front view, control 1 is back view, and 3 is right view, control 3 is the other side view, which is left view. So that's how developers have provided us regarding the viewport. So that's it for the part 2 of the view menu. Let us see what wonderful things the Blender developers have provided in part 3. So with that being said and done, hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page, links will be given in the description. Until then, try it, see it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.